Welcome to the second lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Specification Level 3, focusing on more tricks in creating asymmetric garment styles. Firstly, we will look at this style with parts of the back panel shifting to the front and rounded curved hemline. This kind of asymmetric styles can also be done using division lines. As the division will affect the sweep as well, set the panel into new waistband mode first. Add nodes on the relevant positions. Then right-click on the node and select Add Division Line and Point. Set the area to be divided and add the nodes to create the shape desired. Perform the same steps on the front panel as well. Proceed to set the relevant dimensions and edit the knitting rules as usual. We can look at another style. This style can also be done using division line. This marks the end of this class. Thank you for watching.